Are you struggling to make any money online? Have you tried those boring survey sites or watched some stupid videos only to get paid a few cents for watching, let's say, like 45 of them? Have you been taken to the cleaners trying to sell junk on eBay? Are you just tired of the rat race and need a breath of fresh air? Well, in this video, you are going to learn to fire your boss, get your bills paid, and learn how to break free. Let's learn how right now. Hey there, welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make $500 over and over again using 3 websites, or basically combining all 3 websites into a strategy which you can set this up on autopilot and make a ton of money. Hello and welcome to the video. A few instructions before we begin this tutorial. Number 1, do not skip ahead because you might miss a crucial step in the instructions that could get you confused, mad, and blow up. Okay, well maybe not blow up, but you know what I mean. I will guide you step by step, so do not skip ahead. Number 2, if you need to pause this video in case you are taking notes, please feel free to do so. Number 3, turn off all distractions, close out of all other programs, and turn off your phone and pay attention. And as always, please like this video if you love the content. I know you will. Subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can get notified when I load up a new video. Leave a comment and share this with everyone on social media. That would be tremendous. I would really appreciate that. Okay, with all this, let's jump into the video and learn how to make money right now. Hello everybody, welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you a very cool strategy on how you can possibly make $500 on autopilot over and over again. Now, there's a disclaimer. Nothing is guaranteed here, all right? I want to be upfront and honest. It actually takes another person to commit and to throw down that hard-earned money they have to give to you in order for this to work, all right? So that takes a lot of time. That takes a commitment on your part to do this strategy as much as you can, all right? Secondly, you have to build what we call know, like, and trust factors before someone is going to buy anything from you, all right? They have to know you, they have to like you, and they have to trust you before they plop down some money to buy whatever you're offering. So let's get going. In today's video, we are going to combine 3 different websites. And I'm going to show you these step by step, so do not skip ahead in this video, otherwise this method will not work. All right? So the first website, as you can surmise, we're going to use Canva. Canva is a very simple website to use. There are others out there, but this one seems to be the cherry on top because you can use and combine another website called Pexels.com in this. So Canva and Pexels basically is like a joint venture. They're on this site together, and Pexels has a whole bunch of free pictures that you can use to develop what we need to do here. So the first thing you need to do is go to canva.com and go over and click in the sign up button here if you're new, or if you already have an account, go ahead and log in. When you sign up, they're going to ask you for your contact information, and then go ahead and go through all the different prompts. For the length of this video, we're going to go past that because I think you know how to do that. Afterwards, then you go ahead and log in, and if you're already a member, like I said, go ahead and log in now. After you log in to your account, if you're new, you won't have any designs, but I use this all the time, especially for making YouTube thumbnail pictures, and that's what all of these are. So it's very, very easy for me to come up with something new. But what we need to look at is all the different designs and things that are out there. So I want you to hold off. I want you to keep this screen open, and we're going to go on to the next website because we need to take some ideas from them so we can make a presentation. All right, it'll all make sense here soon. So the next site is called yazing.com. Now, you're looking at this going, okay, Bob, what is this? Well, they say get paid for every purchase you make and influence online. Well, yeah, you can do that, but they also have some other things going on. You can make money with Yazing because you can get paid to promote other products or any brands, deals, or coupon pages. Get paid to promote. Yazing also pays you cash rewards when you promote any brand's deal and coupon page with others, and your influence generates sales. Okay? Yazing sends your money directly to your PayPal account. So this is pretty cool. All right, some of the brands in here. So what you want to do is go over here and hit join now. And then go ahead and click that and put your username, email, password, confirm password. I just find it easier. Just hit join with Facebook. After you have signed up and got into Yazing and you logged in, this is what it'll look like. So what we want to do is kind of look down here for some big rewards, okay? I would stay away from rewards that are like 4%. Well, here's one. BlockFi, up to $500 cash reward. Huh, that's pretty cool. So let's look at it. All right. They have all sorts of deals here. BlockFi offers crypto interest earning accounts with up to 8.6 APY, and this allows clients holding crypto like Bitcoin and Ether to earn compounding interest. BlockFi also offers low-cost USD loans backed by crypto, access crypto capital without selling. So here's what we would get if someone gets approved for one of these, up to $500 per approved funded loans. The next step is to click on the Promote to Earn button. Okay, so the next thing you want to do is get your affiliate link. All right, so go ahead and copy that because we're going to need it. So you're probably going, okay, well, that's good. Now what? Well, I'm going to show you. Now that we learned a little bit about what BlockFi is from their site here. So the next thing we need to do is find some good information. So here's some deals that they have. Okay. So let's look at the best deal we can get. Save up to 250 Bitcoin bonus when you click and fund a new account. Okay, so let's click that and see what happens. So it goes to their site. And what we want to do is take some of this language that they have here, anything that has like something that has some good benefits. So it's not really telling me a whole lot. But what we can use is, so what I would do is do a little screenshot of this, like that. Okay. And then what I would do next is go back over to Canva, all right, and create a design. Click that. And what type of design would you like to make? Would you like to make a logo, a poster, a meme, a presentation, an Instagram post? Yeah, let's do an Instagram post. But we're not going to use Instagram. Go down to Pexels, right? Type in money. Okay, here we go. Or cryptocurrency. Yes, templates help, but you know what? This is the free route. So what would be a good idea is to have something like this as a background. Maybe not that much. Move that over a little bit. Something where the Bitcoins can be shown. And then on this side, I'd put a background color. All right. So how you do the background color is that you select it all and then you click over here and then you click like green. All right. And the reason why I like green is because it does stand out in green equals money, green equals go, right? So there's a little psychology going on. And then go back over to up to uploads. Okay, here's some other ones that I used. So we want to upload that screenshot that we had. So you click upload media. What you want to do is find out where that screenshot was and then select it and then upload it to Canva. All right, so what we want to use is this and then put it over here. And if it overlaps a little bit, it's okay. It does have the button there, and what I would do is just take that out because there will be another button. This whole thing will be a button, right? That's what we do there, and then what you want to do next is download that as a PNG file, and it'll end up in my downloads folder or your downloads folder if you're doing it, which I hope you are. Now, I understand that this may be getting a little bit complex, but bear with me. You're going to be surprised on this next strategy on how to promote that, okay? The next place you want to go is adclerks.com. Now, I understand that this may cost you a little bit of money, but it's really not that bad, considering $15 for 1.4 million impressions. Now, compare that to going to another promotion site, especially for like YouTube videos, right? Those are much more expensive. This, compared to that, is a lot less expensive. So what you want to do now, since we are in Bitcoin, is go over to and look for sites here that will offer advertising. So what is AdClerks, first of all? Basically, you can buy ads online from websites that are offering it. So you target real people via their ad space on their marketplace of approved websites through their self-serve and automated advertising platform. Okay, so again, we need to find something that is congruent. So we need to look for some cryptocurrency type of websites. And there is one down here, but it's a link shortening place and they want $50 a month. That's a little on the steep side, I think, especially since they're not getting many impressions. They're only getting 874 7,000 impressions compared to this one up here, earn Bitcoin to share your links on the internet. 4.6 million impressions for $75 a month. Yeah, I think that's well worth it, because to advertise, let's say 2,000, to get 2,000 I don't know, impressions for a YouTube video is like $2. This, my friends, is well worth it. You get 4.6 million for $75. Okay, so you go ahead and click that. Let's see what this is all about. All right. So when we advertise, we have $75 that we have to put in. They do target, but you have to read the fine print. Okay. Again, nothing is guaranteed. All this is getting traffic to your links, okay? So you get estimated impressions, 2.2 million available, and you have to have a 728 by 90 located on the home page and head of the shortener links. And they say that your ad may rotate with other ads. Once approved, your ad will be live until all bought impressions are served, or for 30 days. And then ads are automatically renewed unless canceled. Over here you can see a breakdown of their traffic, their devices, types of browsers, and platforms. Okay? So it's a pretty cool way, and this is just a method, and of course you have to go ahead and create an account in order to do this. But I'm just showing you how you can do that. So you take that ad that we just made and then upload it to this service. All right, and then hit add to cart. Once you do that, they'll ask you for all of that information. So I hope you got some good information here. Sorry, the video may be a little bit long and a little bit complex, but I think once you get used to doing this on a consistent basis, this could work for you. So again, I hope you got some great information. If you did, please like, share, comment down below, and make sure that you share this with everybody you know who wants to make money online, and go make money now. So that's it for today's tutorial, and hope you liked it. If you did, smash that like button. Share this video, leave a comment, and subscribe to my channel. I'd really appreciate it. See you in the next video.